Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make Ubisoft account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is access your Ubisoft app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you will find this kind of interface, right? Go ahead, tap on this option of log in or join us. Now, since we would like to create ourselves an account, we can simply tap on this create an account option at the bottom, or we can choose our Apple ID, PlayStation account, or our Xbox account to choose with. So if you would like to create a new account, tap on create an account. Now go ahead, enter your email address, and now go ahead, tap on this follow the rules above and check out the password rules. Must have to be 16 characters long, lowercase letter, uppercase, number, and special character. And go ahead, enter your password. And once you're done, tap on this age, enter your age accordingly, and tap on this create an account. Once you've added this information correctly, you will be able to tap on this create an account. You will receive a code on your email. Go ahead, verify it accordingly, and then you're good to go. You will be able to create yourself an account. Simply go ahead and enter the information that will ask for you to set up your account right in your mobile screen. Go ahead, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.